Hi Colin, hi Leo. I'm fishing. There's been rain, so fish are going to be hopefully more lively. But first cast out. Got my first one. Same as yesterday, but we want bigger. Alright, let's keep going. Come on, big fish. Oh, I had one. I'm going to try the other side with it. Okay, let's try this side. At least I can see me float that little much better, a little bit better. Oh! Go in the bucket for now. Look at them. They jump out and into the stream, so, you know, we've got a little slide if they make it out, which one did before. Okay, yeah, we are going to move place. Just show these 3 fish that I got. Number 1. Oh, stick him in the river. I'm going to find this way back in. There he goes. one's a bit... Put him back in there. And he'll swim off and back into the deep end. And we got another one of them. And he'll go back in. And off he goes. That's me places. So I'm going to be going into that pond there. But look how cool that looks. It's all misty. Okay. Oh, you know, if I touch anything, there's the big boy. Okay, so I'm back at the spot where I caught that perch. Right, and I am ready. Ready to try and catch it again. Okay, so it's getting dark now, and it's raining, but I'm determined. You know what? No, it's not worth it. I'm going. That's the end of that. Okay, so this is where I was last night, and as you can see, it's raining, and yeah, the river is on full force right now. So I can't go across there because that's too deep. I haven't got my waders on, just me wellies. But look at that. Normally that's pretty low. I can stand at them rocks there. Not now. I'll find a different spot somewhere safer along the river. I'll keep going. Alright. Well, yeah, absolutely pouring now. Okay, so I've been following the river all the way down for miles. So we get to this bridge here. And hopefully there's a good spot here. Because if I remember right, there's a good little like whirlpool. It stretches out into a nice calm bit. So I'm guessing that's where the big ones are going to be. Miles there. Okay. So after a couple of hours walking, I found the spot. And it's here. It's like a big whirlpool here that keeps going off. But I'm thinking if I go on that bank there and fish in. And I've got this cool little bridge here. And I'm thinking there might be something under here. And I know it's really shallow. Look how shallow that is. Can't see any no visible fish, but there's a bit deep in there. Yeah, there's a bit quite deep here. Oh, I just see something. Yeah, there's got to be fish in there, aren't there? Somewhere in there. Oh, cool river there. So yeah, we were fishing there for a few hours. Okay, gonna get a good video of this place because I do not know what I need to fish this area. If you can comment and let me know, please do. And then I will come back properly and see what's under there, because I struggled there. I've got no idea what I'm doing, so please let me know.